In the world of manufacturing, quality is not just a metric. It's a strategic compass that guides financial health and customer satisfaction. COQ, or cost of quality, refers to the total expenses a company incurs to ensure its products or services meet quality standards. These costs include activities related to preventing defects, evaluating product quality, and addressing failures both before and after delivery to customers. To calculate the cost of quality, there are 5 cost buckets to consider. Building a quality system is the cost spent on preventing and catching quality problems. Certifications, compliance, is the cost spent on maintaining quality compliance. Internal quality is the cost which includes scrap, process failure, and rework. External quality is the cost of warranty and recall. Loss of customers is the cost of losing customers. Let's understand this by an example, as we can see that the initial cost buckets sum to a total of $100. So if a manufacturer integrates quality management software as a means of additional technology, such as vision systems or quality management software, it would cost $10, and eventually it will allow the manufacturer to save up to $30. So now the overall cost of quality is $80 instead of $100. Quality improvement is a great initiative which helps customer satisfaction. However, you must also consider the overall cost of quality for business profitability while investing in new technologies.